Hey everyone, I'm back to share a design team package with you all. This is actually the Stamp of the Month Club for January 2023. I know we are in February now, so I believe this one came in a little later than it should have. But anyway, it's here. and luckily, we still have plenty of time for us to use this type of stamp. This is the new reissued chicken noodle soup stamp in photopolymer. So if you are part of the Adornit stamp recipe club that you've signed up before the month of January, you will receive this chicken noodle soup if you haven't already. And it is bigger than the original, actually. I'll show you the original because I have it right here. And then you also get this little sentiment that says "You're super." Okay, so this is a recipe for chicken noodle soup. I have not tried it yet. Maybe I'll get a chance to do that before it gets warmer here, but it has been warming up, luckily for us. Here's the original. So let me show you comparison of size. You can kind of see it is smaller in the original, so it's nice to have this larger set because you can read the, not that you can't read the other one, but for those of us who are a little bit older, trying to read some smaller print is not always good or easy. So this one is a bit larger, and let me see. I have an A2 card here, so you can kind of see what it would look like. Okay, so it does fit to an A2 card front. So see that? I have a card right here. This is the back side of it, so you can see that it does fit on that. Just fine. Okay, so that is the recipe stamp for the month of January. And then the add-on is this one right here, which has a couple of different chickens. So there is this chicken in the wheelbarrow. I do not have this one in the original form. This chicken in a nest. This one is walking, and you get some little chicken feet here. Prints. You can actually put them, well, they're individual, it looks like. So if you wanted to stamp them side by side, you could, you know, as footprints. But there are 3 here, and they are not together. They're not hooked together, so they come away as as individual pieces. And then there's this weather vane up here, which I do have, and I'll show you the original for that. And the sentiment, "Love you, a bushel and a peck." These are both 6x8. These are both 4x6 size stamp sets, so that you know that. And then here is the original of the weather vane, which is larger on the wood block size. You can see the 2 different sizes, okay? So that's fun to have another size of that one. All right. Those are the 2 stamp sets for the Stamp Club. This is the add-on, so you don't have, you know, you may not receive this if you're not signed up to receive the add-ons. The add-on for the paper is also here. And this is a cute paper set. Now you get 8 sheets of paper, and they are double-sided. So I've already turned my sheets over so that you can see both sides of the 8 sheets that you get. I might have to order another set of this because this is really cute. You get the chicken wire, and these are 8.5 by 11. The reverse of the chicken wire is this print right here. Really cute. And then you get this polka dot in like a yellow. This would be nice with the honeybees one too. The stamp set that was released last year because the colors are just great. Or even for fall. This is the reverse side of that polka dot one we just looked at. It's a plaid. I love this one. Look at all the chickens. And then there's some butterflies in here. It says, "Why did the chicken cross the road? There were stamps on the other side." Oh my God. "You're a good egg, a little scrambled, but still good. Let's fly the coop and have a hen party." I don't know if that's all of them, but anyway, you got different sentiments in there mixed in with the images of the chickens from the stamps. I think this chicken... I've seen this chicken somewhere else on a different stamp, but it's not out yet, so maybe that's going to be in a stamp drop. We'll see. There's the reverse side of that blue sheet that I just showed you with the chickens. This is the reverse side. And then this one right here, which is upside down. Sorry about that. Little strips of different papers. And then the reverse side of that one is this red sort of distressed mesh looking sheet here. So that is the paper collection if you are purchasing the add-on with your stamp club. They do sell the paper separately, so if you're not part of the recipe stamp club, whenever they release the stamps themselves to the general public that aren't subscribed, they will also have the paper as well available to purchase, you know, if you don't, if you haven't signed up for the club. Okay, so if you're already in the club, you'll get this probably in the next a week or two. I don't know how long the mail takes, but that's coming to you if you don't already have it and you're part of the club. If you sign up for the club now, you're basically saying it's the month of February, so you'd be getting the February stamp set, which is a different stamp. Okay? So if you are wanting this stamp and haven't signed up for the Recipe Stamp Club, it will be available. But my suggestion is to know when it is available. If you join their Facebook group, the Adornit Facebook group, they will tell you when this stamp is going to be dropped and made available to purchase in general if you're not part of the Recipe Club. I think I say this every time I do one of these, but some people don't catch it, so I'm mentioning it again for you all. So I think that's it. I was going to see if I knew which the next stamp set was. I don't have it over here. It's written down somewhere. But yeah, I'll be doing some projects with this as part of my ambassador duties here. And thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.